Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Long-Awaited Feelings, or Feelings Can't Wait, chapter 116. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Akshu and Jiyan. The two of them are going to sleep together. Well, looking at this girl, she looks really happy. She was looking at Akshu and squeezing herself on a narrow bed so the two of them can sleep. There's a happy girl who can't sleep at this moment. She was only staring at Akshu. Akshu, I have so many shortcomings and a lot of strange baggage. Made a lot of mistakes. In the eyes of many people, even in my own eyes, still not the right person for you. Oh, right now, it's been sentimental. But, of course, the thing is where Jian said, but I must be the one who wants you to be happy the most. Oh, what a sweet girl. If you were the screw, the most unique pattern in the world, and I'm willing to polish myself to be the best match for you, a knot that can hug you tightly. Oh, what a poetic confession. The action of the force is mutual. It is good now that the two of them are finally understanding each other, also comforting each other. Perfect matching is a process of mutual adjustment. I also don't need Yan Yan to completely and unilaterally accommodate me. Aksha said to herself. Well, definitely, she was really right on this. Finally, after the long talk, Yan already fall asleep. Well, this girl is always lovely. Always want to be with Akshu. Right now, since Shiyan is already fall asleep, Akshu moved closer to her. It won't hurt tomorrow. Well, definitely, it will not. Kiss her. Said go to sleep. It was a mid-morning. Akshu, she seems to be awake and early. Asking Julian, what time is it? Well, probably. I want to see her away before she go. It's almost 4:30. I'll wake you up. Akshu said, are you leaving? And Julian answered, yes. Oh, it was really early in the morning. You need to go back on shooting. Akshu suddenly calling her, come here. And it really flustered her. Is she going to trick her? Even though Akshu, she looks really serious. But right now, of course, you want to tease her, right? Akshu said to her, alright, go ahead now. Akshu, sometimes, want to tease her, including now. After finishing tidying up, Yuyan was shaking her shoulder. Well, definitely she got tricked by Akshu. Right now, she's really expecting that Akshu is going to kiss her. Definitely, but I won't see you for a long time. What do you want to say to me? Oh, this girl. Suddenly, she always rushing through. But instead of saying anything, Akshu only said to her, okay, and be safe. Looking at her now, she looks really sad. Akshu said to her, okay, just be safe. Okay, I will. Take care of yourself too. I'll wait for you to come back. Well, finally, this is really getting slower. Her motions really changing from time to time. After talking to Akshu, Jiyan, she looked back and she was going away. But Akshu, she was only staring at her. Well, she don't know how to answer her. You want me to bring you something for Christmas? Akshu said to Jiyan. Of course, right now, Jiyan. Akshu, do you want me to bring you something for Christmas? Suddenly, she looked back at her. Probably, she was puzzled by suddenly Akshu calling her again. Well, probably, she's not finished teasing her. Jiyan, when she looked back, goes straight to Akshu. Said to her, I will come back safe and healthy. Well, finally, Akshu, she was really blushing. Maybe she was really shy on this. On the other hand, looking at this girl, she looks really happy. That's the gift I want most. It turns out, kiss her gently. Suddenly, want to run away from her. Oh, what a cute girl. Right now, she was really happy. But for Akshu, she was happy also. But Jian kissed her, said goodbye. In this life, I only realized that there are so many positive, including what happened now. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!